Welcome friend, welcome to SPSPM's Renuka High School, Satara Parisar, Aurangabad. Myself, Mahajan RB, Assistant Teacher of English. Today we are going to learn 1.2, The Fun They Had, English Workshop of Standard 9. In this section, we are going to take a look at English Workshop question 1 to question 6. 1.2, The Fun They Had, English Workshop. English Workshop question first. Use the proper punctuation mark. A. Where did you find it? Punctuation mark is already given. Answer is already given. Where did you find it? Commas and question marks. B. What's it about? Question mark. They had a teacher. And full stop. How could a man be a teacher? Commas and question mark. Sure, if they were the same age. Sure, commas. Question second. The following sentences have an unusual meaning in the context of the story. Write what these sentences would mean today and what they mean in the context of the story. A. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. Today's meaning. Ask the teacher leave. Contextual meaning. Take the mechanical teacher away. B. They had taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month. Today's meaning. Tommy's teacher was on leave for a month. Contextual meaning. The mechanical teacher had to be taken apart to be repaired. C. It wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. Today's meaning, a teacher was a female. Contextual meaning, it was a mechanical teacher who gave lessons to students on screen. D. How could a man be a teacher? Today's meaning, a man is a master. Contextual meaning, human beings could not teach, only mechanical teachers could teach. E. A teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches. Today's meaning, an individual who is a teacher, he or she must teach according to the student's mental ability. Contextual meaning, a computer or a mechanical teacher has to be adjusted according to the mind of student who would use it. Third, write words related to the following words, at least 10 words each. Book, related words for book, story, title, topic, chapter, author, poet, poem, novel. School, student, teacher, principal, classmate, classroom, lecture, textbook, notebook, blackboard. Family, mother, father, grandparents, uncle, aunt, brother, sister, cousin, relatives. 4. Discuss how would you like to learn from a human teacher or a mechanical teacher. Present your arguments in the form of a chart. Answers are given here. Human teacher. Advantages of human teacher. A. The teacher teaches with interest. B. The teacher puts in a lot of interesting incidents and makes the topic meaningful. Disadvantages. The teacher may get sick and miss the school for some time. B. The teacher may not be able to explain sometimes. Mechanical teacher. Advantages of mechanical teacher. A. The lesson can be done as fast as possible. B. Just buttons have to be pressed and everything comes on the screen. Disadvantages of mechanical teacher. How boring would it be just look at the screen and hear the mechanical voice? No liveliness in the class. Question 5. Rewrite the following using complete words instead of contracted forms. A. When you are through. Answer. When you are through. B. And it's good for plenty more. Answer. And it is good for plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away. Answer. I would not throw it away. D. She hadn't seen as many telebooks. Answer. She had not seen as many as telebooks. E. What's it about? Answer. What is it about? F. I have slowed it up. Answer. I have slowed it up. G. I don't know. Answer. I do not know. H. It wasn't a regular teacher. Answer. It was not a regular teacher. 6. Underline the verbs and choose the correct option from the brackets. Margie even wrote about it. Past tense. Today Tommy found a new book. Present tense. My father knows as much as my teacher. Present tense. B. Margie was scornful. Singular. This is the old kind of school. Singular. And the teacher were people. Plural. Thus we see that verb forms show tense, number, etc. Here the verb form changes according to the subject. A verb form which is decided by and changes according to the subject of the sentence is known as a finite verb. Example, you are very kind. If the subject you is changed to she, the sentence will be she is very kind. Now change the verb from according to the change in the subject. I don't know. Change I to she. She doesn't know. My father knows. Change my father to we. Answer we know. I am following in your footsteps. Change I to he. Answer he is following in your footsteps. Thank you.